Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the parts and taking the first actionable steps. Clean the shaft and inspect the flight ring for tears. Once done, press the flight into the ring just enough to hold it. This prevents distortion later. Make sure the flight spine aligns with the shaft groove so the ring sits evenly. Then slide the ring over the flight tab and onto the shaft until it meets the shoulder. These steps lock geometry and stabilize the flight, critical for repeatable release and consistent groupings. You now focus on alignment and fine-tuning to optimize flight behavior. First, rotate the ring small amounts while holding the dart at eye level. You want the flight planes parallel. Because aerodynamic stability depends on symmetry, correct any cant immediately. Next, test balance by gripping at the normal hold point and sighting along the barrel. Small ring shifts change the center of pressure and influence grouping. Finally, if you notice flutter, reposition or slightly trim the ring edge so airflow is smooth around. You finish by testing and troubleshooting to complete the setup. Throw a series of 10 controlled darts and observe deviation patterns. Consistent left or right suggests cant. Wobble indicates loose seating or damaged ring. If needed, move the ring 1 to 2 millimeters and retest. Small changes matter because of airflow shifts. Should you still see flutter or inconsistent grouping, inspect the ring for cracks and replace it. This systematic testing ensures the only way rings give stable, repeatable flights when you compete or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.